I'm Sue, and this is Ernie, our greyhound cross. It's a rescue dog who's nearly 7 years old. The first part I'm going to do is number 1, the deltoid tuberosity, which is the bone, and it's the ridge on the craniolateral aspect of proximal humerus, located slightly distal to the greater tubercle. Number 2 is the spine of the scapular bone, the large flat bone of the thoracic limb here. Number 3, the acromion process, another bone. Down here, distal end of the spine of scapula. It is a small projection of the scapula that extends anteriorly from the spine of the scapula. Number 4, wings of the ilium bone, the large flat surface down here, the large flat surface of the ilium on the lateral side, middle gluteal is the origin. Number 5, greater trochanter of the femur, down here, projection on the lateral aspect of the proximal femur, an important palpable landmark of the hip joint. Number 6, patella, down here. Sesamoid bone in the tendon of insertion of the quadriceps femoris muscle, left right hind leg at the end of the humerus bone. Number 7 is the latimus dorsi, thoracolumbar fascia, T6 to TL7, last few ribs, proximal medial humerus, teres major tuberosity. Number 8, biceps tendon at the elbow, muscle. The biceps tendon originates on the supraglenoid tubercle of the scapula, just in front of and above the joint surface of the shoulder blade, crosses the front of the shoulder joint and merges with the biceps muscle. Number 9 is the supraspinatus muscle, down here. The supraspinatus muscle originates in the supraspinatus fossa of the scapula and inserts on the greater tubercle of the humerus. The supraspinatus muscle is responsible for extension and stabilization of the shoulder joint. Number 10, middle gluteal muscle, down the back here. The gluteal muscle is the middle-sized gluteal muscle, and it's sandwiched between the gluteus minimus muscle and gluteus maximus muscle. Provides most of the muscle bulk of the buttock region. Number 11, biceps femoris. Biceps femoris is a muscle of the posterior compartment of the thigh and lies in the posterior lateral aspects, down here, down this part, down here. It is part of the hamstring muscles. Number 12, cranial sartorius. The cranial sartorius goes down here. Part arises from the iliac crest and the cranial ventral iliac spine, as well as from the lumbar dorsal fascia. The caudal part arises on the bony ridge between the two ventral spines of the ilium, insertion cranial border of the tibia, down here. And that's it.